Hey there, welcome to the demo video for Xtract. Let's get started. When we enter the platform, the first thing we see is the dashboard. Here we can view invoices from our main suppliers. We have options to filter this by total amount or by the number of invoices. We can also see the number of invoices processed, the approximate amount of time saved, and more. Now let's dive into the invoices section. This is where we find a complete list of all invoices received from suppliers. How do invoices get to Xtract? To start, we set up an email forwarding from the company's supplier inbox. This works whether you're using one or multiple email addresses, ensuring that any invoices sent by suppliers are automatically directed to the platform. Additional invoices can be uploaded manually. So let me show you. And the tool processes them immediately. If an invoice has already been uploaded, the tool flags it as a duplicate, and so you can delete it if needed. There's also a filter that let us search invoices by provider, currency, accounting status, and even by specific tax IDs for companies handling multiple business units. You can also filter by issue date or due date. To view full details of an invoice, just click on Info. This brings up the extracted information, including client tax ID, client business name, provider, tax ID, and so on. Let's talk about automation. To post invoices automatically, we need two types of data. First, the information on the invoice itself, and second, additional information such as the accounting account and cost center. The tool allows us to set these fields up and automate them. This setup is done in the imputations model, which we handle during implementation. To post the invoice to Xero, for example, we would need to add the Xero account and the Xero provider ID. The Xero account could be defined by provider, by invoice, or by product. For instance, if you have a supplier invoicing many products, and each product has to go to a different account, that can be done by selecting by product. If they all go to the same account, this could be set up by the provider. This is key for automating coding assignments. Once this setup is done, it is saved until something needs to be changed. In case there are new providers that aren't yet configured, the invoice will be read, but it will show as pending until somebody selects them as Xero account. Moving on to the integration section. This section allows us to view the status of invoices, creating a feedback loop between Xtract and the ERP. It shows which invoices are posted, pending, or if there's an error. We can also apply a filter to see all invoices in pending status. When we see one that's ready to be posted, we simply select it and click Export. Removing the filter shows us that this invoice is now completed, and it's reflected in the management system within 1 second. Now let's head over to Xero. Here we can see where all invoices are posted and accounted for. We go to Business and then Bills to Pay. In this demo, invoices are registered as drafts. If we go to Draft, we'll find the invoice we registered. It will appear as a draft with all the configurations we set up. An invoice with multiple products might take a person about 10 minutes to handle manually, but with Xtract it only takes 1 second. Currently, it's posted as a draft, but the integration can be configured to post it directly in the correct place. This means it can be ready as awaiting approval or awaiting payment. As a draft, you can review and approve it, finalizing the accounting. And that's it. Thanks for watching this demo. Bye!